Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the how to make $100,000 in your first year of real estate. Today we're going to go over how to select the right brokerage for you. Number one, and what I think is probably the most important and why we do a lot of interviewing and looking at different brokerages, is the kind of money that we're going to make. So the first thing we're going to look at is the splits. Now, what a split is, it's essentially the amount of money that's brought in on commission. It's split between the broker and the real estate agent as well. So different companies have all different kinds of splits. For example, EXP, my broker, has an 80-20 split that has a cap, meaning once you hit $16,000 paid in, you no longer pay into the company anymore and you receive 100% of the commission. Splits are varied. Some people have desk fees, some people have different types of other splits. But ultimately, deciding which pay structure works best for you is very critically important to you being successful in real estate. Number 2 on our list today, important things, is going to be training. Now, you might think training as just what they're giving you, but training can mean a lot of different things. For example, a lot of times as a brand new real estate agent, you might not be a full-time agent. For example, I was a fireman when I started out. So the first brokerage I started at had trainings throughout the day. Classes were typically 10 to noon and then 2 to 4. Well, that ate up most of my day and became extremely inconvenient for me. Whereas EXP, the broker I'm with now, has all of their classes online, so I was able to access them whether I was laying in bed at the firehouse or if I was bored at home on a Saturday. There's a lot of variances and availabilities. Other brokerages have mega classes. For example, Keller Williams has Bold and a few other great courses to look into as well. So there's all kinds of options on training, but really trying to figure out what training works best for you as a new agent and the way that you learn the best is very important. All right, number 3, and this goes right along with training. It's gonna be mentorship. Guys, this is a business where having a coach or someone to help you out is extremely important. Everybody from the first team I was on, my business partner now, has helped me learn how to grow my business step by step by step. I have elected to hire coaches as well for social media, and now we're hiring one for our business too. But what the brokerage offers in form of mentorship, something else you should check out, is that basically you either join a team or you're left alone. Is there another program? For example, EXP has a mentorship program for brand new agents where someone like myself would help you through your first few transactions and make sure that goes smoothly. Other companies like Keller Williams have production coaches which help you step by step throughout the way, and they're great people to talk to. Local brokerage here named Murney, they have different people that come in and will teach you on a regular basis. So a lot of these brokerages have different options, but again, it's really what's gonna work best for you. Number 4, this is a big one for me, is what tools are available to you when joining the brokerage. Are there CRMs available? Are there other classes you can take? Are there lead generation sources? Do those cost you things extra? What is the fee? Guys, tools and systems are what make you a successful real estate agent, especially being brand new. You have to be organized, you have to have accessibility. So what does the broker offer you in the way of tools to make you successful? There are so many things that go into being successful in your first year of real estate. But I've got to tell you guys that picking the right broker is so important for that success. Do you want to be on a team? Do you want to go on your own? And what systems and tools does that broker have in place to help you be successful? Look at the splits. What kind of money are you going to make on a deal? What type of effort comes off that deal? Also, one thing we didn't put up on the board is benefits. Are there stock options? Are there healthcare availabilities? Is there a retirement plan? You've got to ask these questions. The one pro tip I can really truly give you is to go out and interview every single broker. Hear me again, every single broker. This is super important, guys, because everyone has different things to offer. And just because I'm at EXP or my buddy's over at Reese Nichols or this friend's a Coldwell Banker doesn't mean it's the best thing for you. So take the time to go out, get to know these local brokerages, who's there, how they operate, what their culture is like, and decide what will help you win in real estate for your first year.